S&P. As long as you weren't under a rock, then you saw everything was up today. Everybody got the memo except the Bears. Shout out to the Bears. Where are you guys at today? Actually, where are you guys at today? Because I feel like I'm doing this thing all alone. I don't know if you guys did watch Game of Thrones, but the Battle of the Bastards, where Jon Snow was just standing there with the sword and then the whole horde is coming at him. I feel like that's me right now with my puts. Where's the cavalry? Where is Pick? Where's Dom? I need the Bears to not show up with their pom-poms, but show up with their wallets. I need people to take profits. I am still in SPY puts. They're not good. They are red. However, I did buy a couple more today. I bought some 540s for this Friday. And we'll see how CPI does tomorrow. I know this is up, not even technically overbought. I think we're a bit overbought. I thought about selling some more covered calls today, but then again, saw how the other ones are performing, so I wanted to wait for a pullback first. Just like in football, never bet on the Bears. Gosh, no kidding. Lisa also has a 5. Oh, you're short. So I'm actually long. So Lisa sold me her put. I'm long puts the 540 for this Friday. So as far as your S&P goes, if you did that, are you up on them? You did a month ago. Today might have been the closing day because you should be up on those. A month's worth of theta and they're out of the money. Let's see. Wheel strategy. Okay. Again, right now, I just think we're a little bit up. I saw the jokes that the bottom is officially in. I did not think we would cross this many bridges. I think probably more on tech. We talked about the blue zone last night right here. Or was it this blue zone? I said we'd be awfully bullish to hit this blue zone right here. Is that not what we said last night? I don't want to just say I called it out or that we talked about it if we didn't. I remember talking specifically about a blue zone. Might have actually just been this one. So back here we played right above my head. We played the back and forth game quite a bit. Over here, you got it one time. A little up, a little down. They're like, that was boring. Let's just send it. Now what I will be concerned about is a red day tomorrow. Or not a red day. When the Bears show up, hopefully, fingers crossed they do show up, do we just pull back to this zone? Because that very much will be seen as a higher low and probably a dip buy. So first and foremost, if you are bearish, this is key. This needs to be broken, demolished, and absolutely smashed. For the sake of my covered calls, especially on NVIDIA, it does. NASDAQ, absolutely sending it. I did not think we would just dance right through that zone. Obviously, the market makers felt bad, wanted to drop back down and remind everybody, hey, that is a zone. But we're on top of it now and got back above. What I am concerned about right now is this, you've heard me say this a lot, like treat it like a ratchet, one click up. And did we just do that on the NASDAQ? So if we pull back, do we just pull to right here? Do we get just barely outside this, kind of like this red wick right here? Do we get just outside, like below, and then push right back up? Ads. Oh, there's ads on this stream? It's my bad. Man, that was quite the bullish run. I don't know about a rip your face off rally, if you want to call it that, but the rip your face off rallies typically happen like after the bearish turn, kind of like this. Like we were bearish for a little bit sideways, and then got the bears excited and then send it. Right now, we're not really doing much. CPI is going to come in pretty bad for that to be an excuse to really drag things down. CPI, like I said on Sunday, I don't think CPI is going to do that much. I think we're going to dance around, which is why I think tech might just hold right here. Hopefully I'm wrong. We just blast this thing down. As far as the Qs go, we're right at the expected move, still within range. I didn't even check the Russell today. Russell bounced back up. Russell was looking the weakest out of all of them. Kind of playing the back and forth game here. For the Russell, I'd be bullish above this blue zone. Again, bearish below here. Ultimately doing nothing. Tesla finally breaking out. Well, breaking out of this, which we talked about last night. If you sold, I still think if you sold the 212.50s, the 215, 217s, anyone who sold those calls, I actually think you're going to be fine.